Hello everyone out there. Welcome back, rock stars at home. In this clip, we have this number 4900 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 4900, then draw a vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left, dividing 4900 by 2, which equals 2450. So 4900 divided by 2 equals 2450. Dividing 2450 by 2, which equals 1225. So 2450 divided by 2 equals 1225. Dividing 1225 by 2, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 1225 by 3, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 1225 by 5, which equals 245. So 1225 divided by 5 equals 245. Dividing 245 by 5, which equals 49. So 245 divided by 5 equals 49. Dividing 49 by 5, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 49 by 7, which equals 7. So 49 divided by 7 equals 7. Dividing 7 by 7, which equals 1. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 4900 are 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times 7 times 7, which can be written as 2 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 2 times 7 to the power 2. And this were the whole prime factors for this number. Hit subscribe, like and share to support the channel.